In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add 200-day moving average on Tradingview. The 200-day moving average is one of the most widely used trend indicators, helping you quickly see the long-term direction of a market. Let's set it up clearly, so it's easy to read and consistent across your charts. Start by opening your chart in Tradingview. With the chart visible, go to the top of the screen and click the Indicators button. This opens the search panel where you can find Built. In Tools, in the search box, type Moving Average. You'll see two common choices: Moving Average, which is the simple moving average or SMA, and Moving Average Exponential, known as EMA. Either will work for a 200-day average, but remember that the SMA smooths price evenly, while the EMA gives a bit more weight to recent price action, making it slightly more responsive. After you click the one you prefer, the indicator will appear on your chart as a line following price. Hover your mouse over that new line and click the gear icon to open its settings. In the Inputs tab, find Length and change it to 200. That's the key setting that defines a 200-period average. For a proper daily 200-day average, it's a good idea to make sure the source is set to close, which uses the closing price of each candle, and set the time frame to 1D. This ensures that even if you switch to a lower intraday chart, the indicator still calculates based on daily data. If you mostly trade on daily charts, this setting keeps the line consistent and true to what most traders refer to as the 200-day. Next, move to the Style tab to make the line easy to see. Choose a color that stands out against your chart background and your price candles. Consider increasing the line thickness so it remains visible when price gets busy. You can also adjust the line's opacity if you want it subtle yet clear, but prioritize visibility so you don't miss it during quick scans. Once you are happy with the look, close the settings. You should now see a clear 200-day moving average running across your chart, ready to help identify trends, potential support or resistance, and the broader market context. If you switch symbols, the indicator stays in place with the same settings, so you don't have to repeat this process. That's it. Thanks for watching.